yung nangyayari daw pong police operations sa KOJC compound ay overkill daw po at may mga violation na po ng human rights ayon sa mga kritiko ninyo.
Specify.
Yung daw pong pagde-deploy ng sobrang daming police at saka yung blockade, yung mga nadidisrupt na daw po yung
Meron bang human rights violation kung maraming pulis?
Yun pong sabi niya.
I don't think so. There's no. Anyway, the reason we did this was so that we could maintain the peace. The only way to maintain the peace is to make sure that the area is safe and is secure. And considering this is a 30-hectare compound, kailangan mo talaga ng maraming tao. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin ito na isang dosenang pulis para hindi na bale yung mga lumalaban o yung mga nagre-resist, nanghaharang, hindi na bale muna yun. Para lang yung pag-inspeksyon ng 30 hectares, kailangan mo na kagad ng maraming tao. So I do not see. I think what they're talking about is political na yan. Hindi na totoo yan. You go to any human rights advocate, there's nothing that we did. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa.
Sir, wala daw kayong baril. Sir, ano pala yan, sir? Ano? Sir, wala daw kayong baril, sir. Nako!
Hindi kami gumamit ng tear gas. Wala kaming ginawang ganun. So ano yung human rights violation? Marami lang. Kung kukonti yun, mas marami pang nasaktan. Mas maraming nasaktan na supporter ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Maraming nasaktan na pulis dahil maglalaban. So kung marami, itapos ka agad ang problema. So that's what we've done.
Surrender na lang po. Surrender na lang po.
Hindi ko nga maintindihan kung bakit dinadamay ni Kibuloy ang mga tauhan niya. Kasi sinasabak niya yung mga tauhan niya. Wala namang kasalanan niya mga yan. They just believe they're looking for an answer, a value system, and they think they have found it with Kibuloy. But they did not sign up to be in the front line of this kind of thing that's happening now, that they will protect him from arrest even when he has cases filed against him, not only here in the Philippines but also in the United States. So I suppose I can understand their disagreement with us, even anger. But what all that the police are doing is enforcing the warrant of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy.
Sir, on Alice,
That's all they're doing.
Sir, on Alice Go, mayroon daw po information si Senator Gatchalian na may mga BI personnel na may alam and you were allegedly kept in the dark daw po.
Oh yes, definitely. So DOJ, I was just with the secretary earlier today. Is almost finished with a very thorough investigation, and we will identify all of those who have all of those who are involved in this, and we will act very quickly.
Sir, pero meron na po kayong idea on whose heads will roll?
A very, very good idea. I have a very good idea.
From BI, sir?
From BI. Yeah.
How many are? Ilan sila, sir?
Well, that's not the that's what the last part of this is. How far, how deep does it go? Isa lang bang tao ang involved? O marami sila? O sindikato ito? That's what we are looking at now.
How high the position? Thank you, sir.
There are no sacred cows.
Okay.